Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidify. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our tips and tricks. Have you ever been locked out of your Snapchat account with no access to your email or phone number? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to recover your account using Snapchat's support system. First, open Google and type Snapchat support. Look for the official link, which is help.snapchat.com, and click on it. Once the page loads, you'll see several helpful options. Some examples include, I lost my Snap streak, my account is compromised, and I can't access my account. For our purpose, click on I can't access my account. Now a new set of options will appear, like my account is locked, I forgot my password, and I forgot or can't access my email or phone number. Select I forgot or can't access my email or phone number. Here, Snapchat provides detailed instructions. It says if you still have access to your email or phone number, you can easily reset your password using one of them. However, for security reasons, they can't reset your password if your account doesn't have a linked email or phone number, you've forgotten the linked email or phone number, or you no longer have access to either. Now, here's where it gets tricky. If you no longer have access to the email or phone number linked to your account, Snapchat won't be able to help you reset your password. This is because Snapchat requires either your email or phone number to verify your identity for account recovery. Without access to either, there's no way to prove that you own the account. So in this case, your options are very limited. You can try contacting Snapchat support directly, but there's no guarantee they can assist you without those key verification details. I hope this clears up how Snapchat handles account recovery. Stay safe and make sure to keep your account info up to date.